Candy2o Auto Air Color from Createx. Hey everyone, welcome to RFD, and today we are doing something fun and exciting. We're working with the Candy2os. This is Candy2o Auto Air Color from Createx. One of my favorite paints to work with. Now, when you're using candies, you need a clear to go on with it. The candy is basically a dye. The clear is the binder, so you need the two together to get it to stick to your bait. Now, when using candies, we can get awesome results, like this guy. This is one of my favorite baits to use. It's caught me quite a few fish. I was really surprised. I've made another one now. This is my gold version. And this one, I've added some pearl to it. So when you add pearl to it, it adds this kind of metal fleck look to it. It's really cool. I don't know if you can see that or not. It's rather difficult to get on a camera, but in person you can see the fleck. It's really fun. All right, I'm starting off with Tequila yellow. We're just gonna work our way down. I'm actually gonna start at the top. We're gonna use quite a bit of this. See that color coming in already? So candy colors are all about the layering. Like I said, candy is a dye. It's not actually a pigment. It's much more of a dye, or like an ink is a good way to think of it. You see, it's even coloring the black with a yellow hue. But we're just building up clear coats of yellow. And what's really neat about the candies is the more you apply, the darker that color gets. So the more layers I build up, as you can see, the darker the color gets. So you can get this really nice gradient look, which is what I'm going for on this bait. Regarding air pressure with candies, I typically just kind of use it at the same air pressure as any other bait. So I'm working at probably 20 to 25 psi right now. Now, I started with a black top on this bait. I could have actually just layered this candy up until I got real dark yellow on top and it would have looked pseudo black. But I didn't really want that look on this bait. Now, I will say candy does a lot better over top of a foil. So if you're foiling, definitely recommend trying out the candy. I've got my emerald green candy, and I've got 4 drops of balancing clear to 4 drops of emerald green. I've also added 2 drops of this copper pearl. Now I'm going to put this over top. I've meshed it. Hey, I can already see that gold. Okay, we're just kind of giving it a light coat here, and then we're going to give it stripes. Alright, now we're going to set up for stripes. Alright, so I've got the helping hands holding the comb. Now I'm going to stripe it. Now it's important when working with the comb to make sure that you aren't tilting your paint out to the side, because you'll get underneath the comb. We're wanting to do this in real light coats. I'm just going to lift this up. Alright, I think I'll bring that green down some. Tie it in a little better. I finished the bait off camera and whitened the belly, added a little bit of pink shading to it, fluorescent orange throat, added the fin details, eyes, and clear coated. This is the final bait. It's got a good wobble. Oh yeah, I like this.
Looks nice to me.
Hopefully I can see that on the camera. Oh yeah, the good swimming astronaut.
I'm just causing trouble.
You're always trouble.
That's why you made me.